Welcome to the Explainer. Let's dive right into the real math behind making 10 grand a month.
Hitting 10K is huge. It takes either intense work or some seriously smart asset leverage. The divide is pretty simple, right? You either need highly specialized skills or major capital to invest. We can break this massive goal down into 3 core resource-based pathways to find your perfect fit. Okay, let's hit path 1. This relies entirely on selling premium services to big-budget corporate clients. The micro math is the secret here. You only need 2 to 5 clients paying a few grand each. You can crush this through freelance copywriting, fractional management, corporate consulting, or high-ticket coaching packages. Now, if services aren't your thing, Path 2 focuses entirely on scalable volume and massive sales engines. It's a stark contrast. You're either processing hundreds of smaller transactions or closing massive enterprise contracts. Think tech sales with uncapped commissions or creating premium digital products like SaaS and online courses. Or try agency arbitrage. Sell a premium marketing package, then outsource the actual work to specialized freelancers. Finally, Path 3 is for those who already have significant cash or assets to utilize market leverage. Options trading carries high capital risk, while real estate arbitrage needs landlord permission for short-term rentals. So, which of these 3 mechanical pathways is the absolute best fit for your current personal resources? To map out a real step-by-step plan, you gotta first honestly assess your existing marketable skills. Next up, ask yourself, how many hours per week can you actually dedicate to building this stream? And finally, do you have any starting capital to leverage, or are you starting completely from scratch? Time, skills, or capital? You need one to hit 10K. Which path will completely change your life?